One of the most intense windstorms in southern Colorado history roared through almost 4 years ago to the day of our current wind event. You may remember December 15th, 2021. Today's setup is very similar to that day. In the morning, back in 2021, wind gusts above 100 miles per hour were recorded in the Pikes Peak region and across the Front Range. Trees a century old were toppled and many people lost power. 47,000 Colorado Springs Utilities customers were in the dark at some point. Now, a large swath of I-25 reported these damaging gusts. Lamar Airport gusted to 107 miles per hour at 8:44 a.m., and Colorado Springs' airport reported its second strongest gust ever at 92 miles per hour. Now, as you'd expect, these gusts created a highway nightmare. The storm toppled many trucks and trailers and at one point closed I-25. Plus, blown over tree branches damaged a lot of cars and homes. The most dangerous setup is when the wind is blowing sideways compared to your vehicle. There's no specific wind speed at which driving becomes dangerous, but in general, the lighter, taller, and longer your vehicle is, the easier it is for the wind to tip it over. Once wind gusts are in the 60-mile-per-hour range, though, driving a tall vehicle becomes dangerous. Just like 2021, today's setup also had a very strong jet stream being enhanced by an upper-level system, and both Decembers feature a La Nina, which means more windy, high fire danger days are likely in the near future. Meteorologist Casey Dorn, News 5.